Well, almost finished listening to jeab, jarre, oxymore. I have to say, I feel kind of soul. I feel empty. I feel like I don't know. I just feel like the music sounds a little bit morbid. It's not wowing. I'm not getting wowed. I suppose can't get every michel jarre. I wouldn't say call a fan or maybe listener or maybe I. Still on side ABC, so on this disc vinyl 2 side D, but I just feel empty. I'm just not feeling wowed. Maybe the other one, the other LP that I picked up, the vinyl. Maybe that'll wow me. I feel like this is probably going to be the one least vinyl that I'm going to play. I feel gutted, emotionally gutted. I wonder what other reviews are like. I mean, is anyone wowed? I mean, some people when they first heard Oxygen, when I first listened to it, when I don't know if I might have heard it in a record store. Oh gosh, that's so flipping far back. Might possibly, but more I heard word of, jeab, probably early 80s, I guess, early mid 80s. Someone else that was in that probably had it on probably compact disc. And then I picked it up on. I picked some of it up on compact tape, and then later on compact disc. Got a few of his albums. I don't know where the other compact tape is, but it's the same one as it's Rendezvous. I don't know where that place. I don't know what place the tape. CD. I got the other. I don't know if I'm feeling under the weather, but I know I was out yesterday and probably feeling a little bit still fatigued. But I'm in a good mood. I just feel empty, so that the music. I mean, with my life, events that have changed, I just find the music morbid. I'm just thinking, well, gosh, that's a waste of money. Well, I'm glad I haven't listened to it in Dolby Atmos, because I'll probably would turn it off within just a few moments of listening to it. Even though I'm listening Pro Logic, most of the music, some of it is in, where you centralise musical instruments and such. Like a bass in the middle. If it was probably in a 5.1 or multi-channel, whatever, Atmos, some of that bass, maybe in the centre, might be a phantom image of like left to right, and it's because it's going through a Pro Logic, it folds down into the centre. I can hear other instruments panning over and so forth. Probably haven't got the level adjusted a little bit for the just turn that down. That's just in the surround mono, because it's only mono. it's Pro Logic 424. And just fade up the front LCR. See the levels there on the meter. I think that's really it. I think that's just come to the end. I think maybe it's almost probably it's about halfway. It's about halfway. If I can make it that halfway through. And then maybe the next one, ammo. I don't know. I just don't know. Now that one next, sealed, brand new. Maybe that might be uplifting. So I kind of find oxygen like that. Kind of breathes oxygen into you. This music, this one, it's just putting me on a downer. Oh, so morbid. Okay, it's ended. Okay. So I'll do an unwrapping of the other one. Get that off. These dark sleeves, very nice. The art packing and such is okay, but I just feel emotionally gutted after listening to this music. It's got a nice smell to the vinyl, the packing. It's got a nice kind of manufacturing smell, if there's such a thing. Put it back into that. So took the I'll just put that on the shelf with all the vinyl and a laser disc, and that'll probably be the least one I'll probably play again. Emotionally gutted.